Oh. Good day, gentlemen. I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby. Let's see this 4x4 off-road racing car from CROSS RC. That's EMO XX. And now we will disassemble the cabin and put battery running it. So, and we will see all the details of the size, what is inside for the electronics, all the material. So now let's first ready to put battery power on. Then the cabin we can disassemble quickly by the locking button, unlock it. And also from the right side, yeah, this one. And also rear side position from left here and right side. Unlock, we can directly pull out. Now unlocked the cabin, we directly pull out. There is only one LED wire still connecting to LED board. So that's the LED wire. It was connecting to here. So now I unplug it, so can remove directly. That's the LED here. And for this, that's PVC plastic, flexible, and when punching, not easy break. Inside the cabin decorations, door cannot open, but we can see decoration inside for the seat, for the wheel, and with all these stickers. Mirrors containing different angle. Now let's see the chassis. Later I will open the cover so you can see the driving system. Turn around here. We will see it's with 2-axle, portal axle. Inside have steel gears. And the housing for axles, they are nylon. And inside with the steel shaft and steel gears. Also for the CVT drive shaft, also steel with nylon protection. The chassis middle connection plate is also thick nylon for connecting all the balancing bar. And this decorating box, they also nylon. So here we will see for the front axle, we have bottom these two balancing bar for rolling, one left and right, and on top we have another one. It's connecting to the top of the axle. And from this angle, you will be able to see each suspension with outside big spring and inside a cylinder with small spring inside. And the top, we have this nut for adjusting the spring tension. Turning around to see the front axle, from this angle, we will be able to see the turning connecting bar. Top, that's the big servo. So 70 kg. And drive it now at a differential. Okay, unlock it. Now at a differential. Backward. Forward. So now it is at a differential and a low speed. Shifting to high speed. That's fast for racing. And now we will lock the differential lock. Here you will see that's the wire pulling, going into the axle and the rear side also have. Now on locking one axle, forward is locked. They are separated two servo, each one for locking differential lock for front axle and the rear axle. So now only front locked. Now locking rear side will be 4x4. It's a lot of power. So now let's see rear side axle and the connecting bar. So from here we see the portal axle with nylon housing, the rolling. Here that's the suspension with here balancing bar here, that's the pin for connection the bar for rolling left and right. And turn around, we can see bottom for the rear axle connecting bar we have 1, 2, 3, 4. for balancing the axle. And the differential lock, the pulling wire is from here for locking inside planetary gears. So now we remove this top rear cover, we will be able to see inside for the driver. So 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, forward, under here, 2 screws, 1 left, 1 right. Yeah, I will remove so we can see inside structure. So already removed. So top, this cover all plastic here. This fan cover actually is only decoration, no fan there. So actually air can come in with here motor have fan, inside the air circulating. So now after we remove all the top cover, we can see chassis with steel girder. So 1 girder entire with curve here, and rear side bumper nylon one with nylon hook, steel pin, forward nylon bumper, and all this middle connection between the girder, it is a nylon connection. And here that's the gearbox with nylon housing inside the steel gears. So 2 motor spinning gear turning the big gear same time for power double it, and that's the gearbox. Here this servo is for shifting gear now. So turn like this, that's low speed. And here turning, release, go to the bar, go to forward, will be high speed. Now engaged, slow drive engaged, that's high speed. And shifting back to low, pulling the bar back, slow drive engage gear. And now we will see for the 2 differential lock. This servo, that's a forward axle differential lock. So now, sorry, that's the rear one. So forward, release, forward axle will be locked. So you will be able to see. Forward wheel will be, locked. And then this side, this release the wire, rear side will be locked, and the wheels on the table will be turning same time. So power is pulling me away. And here we got the 2 ESC for the 2 brush motor 775, and with fan inside. And here, this box with screw open, that's the receiver inside. So now with all cabin cover assembled, let's see how it's working with lights circulating, and also top have turning lights, more brighter, then flashing, then bumper lights also flashing, then off and flashing off. So from rear side also have the red light and also turning lights and the yellow flashing light. So now it's all off, circulating, then flashing, then white light flashing, turning lights. After flashing turning off, you can see turning lights, reverse light, drive forward, very fast. Now, normal drive now for better steering should be at differential. So put to differential. That's a brake, braking light, reverse. Slowly. Now it is at low speed gear. So now let's see at low speed, the fastest way, speed up, at 100%. That's brake and reverse. Reverse is less speed. Now shifting to high, engage gear. Oh. It's the head is tilting up. And now, all my friends, you see all the details and the powerful two motor with two-speed driven. It's massive power, so bring for the sand or rock land, you could have much fun. See you.